One of the major problems with education today is that students aren't testing well on standardized testing. This is because of a variety of reasons, one of which is test anxiety. When students feel nervous before their test, they get more nervous when they have a bigger test. Extreme anxiety can result in serious underestimation of the student's basic academic ability and achievements. Another reason for students not testing well is a lack of automaticity. They aren't able to recall relevant facts or procedures quickly without thinking too long about it. This happens a lot with standardized testing in mathematics situations, especially. Students aren't able to think of the procedure to complete the problem, or they second guess their ability to do the mental math right in their head. Slow readers also are at a disadvantage. They usually don't have a lot of practice reading and have a very limited vocabulary, so they are slower to understand what the test is asking for. Students that don't practice taking tests often too also are at a disadvantage, especially when it comes to time tests. They don't have the ability to know when to move on to the next question or portion of the exam. Many parents are upset with the standardized testing that is being used in schools, and because of the disadvantages that some students face, such as the test anxiety. And many parents want to implement a different way to test students' abilities. Some of the proposed solutions include group projects or individual projects to allow the students to display their knowledge to the class and to the teacher. Another idea to accommodate students is to allow them to create a portfolio of their work, starting with a baseline, so an entry-level performance, and then a achievement or progress report either 14 to 5 months later. This has been implemented in Georgia schools. They have the Georgia Alternative Assessment, and students are able to make a portfolio with a grading rubric and use that instead of a standardized test. Many of the other alternatives are costly, time-consuming, or subjective, so academic administrators are looking for other alternatives that can help students but be affordable and fair.